Welcome to today's video about fennel seeds water at night and its surprising benefits. Have you ever wondered how something as small as fennel seeds could hold such significant secrets? Recent studies from renowned journals have unveiled staggering benefits of fennel seeds water, especially when consumed at night. From improved digestion to potentially enhancing sexual function, is fennel seeds water the ancient remedy we've been overlooking? Let's explore the nocturnal world of fennel backed by science to uncover the truth. A quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now, let's look at the list of health benefits of drinking fennel seeds water at night. Number 1. Improves digestion. Fennel seeds water aids digestion by relaxing the gastrointestinal tract, reducing spasms, and preventing gas formation. The bioactive compounds in fennel seeds, such as anethol and estragol, have significant antispasmodic effects, easing stomach cramps and promoting smoother digestion. Number 2. Reduces acid reflux. Fennel seeds contain anethol, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm the stomach and reduce acid production. Flavonoids in the seeds also reduce stomach muscle spasms, potentially providing a natural remedy for acid reflux. Number 3. Aids weight loss. Fennel seeds water can potentially aid in weight loss due to its dietary fiber content, providing a satiated feeling and reducing nighttime food cravings. Essential oils in fennel, like anethol, have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved metabolism. Number 4. Improves immunity. Fennel seeds are rich in vitamin C, with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, compounds like quercetin and anethol contribute to a more robust immune system. Number 5. Regulates blood pressure. Fennel seeds are rich in potassium, which plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Compounds like quercetin further support heart health by promoting the dilation of blood vessels. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar. Bioactive compounds in fennel seeds, including anethol and flavonoids, show potential anti-diabetic properties by enhancing insulin secretion and modulating carbohydrate metabolism. Number 7. Improves bone health. Fennel seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals for bone health, supporting bone density and metabolic processes. Number 8. Reduces asthma symptoms. Compounds in fennel seeds, such as anethol, quercetin, and rosmarinic acid, show anti-inflammatory and bronchodilatory effects, potentially mitigating asthma symptoms. Number 9. Improves memory. Fennel seeds contain anethol, known for its neuroprotective effects, and antioxidants like quercetin, contributing to enhanced cognitive function and memory. Number 10. Protects against cancer. Active compounds in fennel, such as anethol, limonene, and quercetin, show potential anti-cancer properties by hindering the growth and spread of cancer cells. Number 11. Protects the liver. Fennel seed extract contains antioxidants like quercetin and rutin, contributing to the detoxification and protection of liver cells. Number 12. Improves sleep quality. Magnesium in fennel seeds is linked with better sleep patterns by regulating melatonin production. Volatile compounds like estragol and anethol may aid in muscle relaxation, promoting a night of peaceful sleep. Number 13. Relieves menstrual cramps. Bioactive compounds in fennel seeds exhibit antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory effects, potentially alleviating menstrual cramps. Number 14. Improves sexual function and satisfaction. Fennel seeds, rich in phytoestrogens and antioxidants, may boost libido, improve blood flow, and enhance sexual function. While fennel seeds water is generally safe, moderation is crucial to avoid potential side effects. Allergic reactions, skin sensitivity, estrogenic activity, drug interactions, digestive issues, bleeding disorders, and precautions during pregnancy and breastfeeding are important considerations. In conclusion, fennel seeds water at night offers a range of potential health benefits, but it's essential to approach it with moderation and consideration of individual health conditions. Consultation with a healthcare professional is advised for personalized guidance. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring for better nights ahead.